Welcome back to my channel, and I've got a couple more products from Basenor that I wanted to show you guys for my Cybertruck. They sent me this stuff out to test, so that in the cup holder you put it in there, and this is very flexible and it's easily to put in, and I'll show you that, and it's easy to remove, easy to clean out. So that you don't have to worry about spilling any drinks or any of that stuff. If you do, then literally just pull it back out and clean it. Again, very flexible. This is for the phone area, and just set it in there, and I'll show you that. And you put the phone in there, and it's very thin here, so you do get the ability to charge your phone as well, so that doesn't change. So let's take a look. Okay, so let's put the first one on here in the front. This is where the phone charger is, and it really just sits there on top. And you can see that it's very nice. The corners are perfect here. It flips over the top so that it's a snug fit in place. And then the same thing with the cup holder. The cup holder, literally, I mean, this is already in there, and I can look down in there and it's a little bit dirty. I probably should clean it before I put this, but anyways, you just literally put that on there, and then we're gonna shove it down in there, and it fits very snug in place there. And so you still have the ability to put your coffee, your drinks, or whatever, and then in case it spills, you just remove it. I find it very useful and very easy to take out and clean, and I would recommend it for you if you're looking to keep your Cybertruck as clean as possible. That's always my goal. Keep it as clean as possible. So thanks. Appreciate you showing up on the channel, and make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.